Are you serious? Are you serious? It's getting very serious and ugly as Earl, Tropical Storm Earl, likely to become a Category 1 hurricane by tomorrow morning. Earl has claimed the lives of at least 6 people in the Dominican Republic and continues to move right toward Belize. It will hit Belize tomorrow morning, and it's expected to be devastating. It will be a Category 1 hurricane as it hits landfall. Matter of fact, here's the reports that are coming in. Meteorologist Dominica Davis looked at the tropical storm Earl, which is estimated to make landfall near Belize tomorrow morning. The tropical system was responsible for 6 people being killed in the Dominican Republic. 3 others may have been killed by conditions from the storm, but authorities are still investigating their deaths. The storm moved on to Jamaica and to the Cayman Islands, dumping heavy rainfall yesterday. Tropical Storm Earl is gaining strength as it churns toward Belize, and hurricane warnings have been posted for Belize coast north to Puerto Rico and Mexico. The storm, Costa, Mexico, not Puerto Rico, Puerto Costa, Mexico. The storm, which is responsible for the deaths of 6 people in the Dominican Republic, may have dumped as much as 12 inches of rain in parts of Belize, Honduras, Guatemala, and southern Mexico, leading to flooding and mudslides. This is a storm that has turned deadly after we were told, don't worry about it. It is going to break apart after it hit Jamaica, and it will kind of fade away. It will not even become a tropical storm. Well, that's wrong. It regrouped. It's killing people, and now it will be a hurricane by tomorrow morning as it slams into Belize. It's bringing a foot of rain on the nations of Belize already, and Honduras, and Guatemala, and southern Mexico. Matter of fact, while some hurricane force winds are possible near Earl's center of circulation, the storm surge flooding can be expected. The greater danger is likely to be the rainfall. And folks, I'm going to tell you more about that in a minute. These rain bombs happening again last night. Where? Arizona. A rain bomb in Arizona. I'll talk about that in a minute. And also, the tropical cyclones moving inland over Central America are notoriously for deadly, destructive flash flooding and mudslides due to heavy rainfall over those mountainous terrains, very steep. And of course, that may be the greatest impact of the legacy of tropical storm / hurricane Earl. The 6 deaths and 12 injuries in the Dominican Republic, plus 3 other deaths that are being investigated, occurred Sunday aboard a bus filled with people returning from a beach excursion near the town of Naga. Okay, so anyway, it's getting ugly, and it's going to get uglier. So continue to pray for the folks down there in Belize and, Mexico and Honduras and Guatemala. And, of course, the Dominican Republic hit pretty hard. And so we continue to keep a close eye as the sea and the waves are roaring, just like the Bible said they would do. In St. Luke's Gospel, Jesus was asked about the signs of the end time. He said, there shall be signs in the sun and in the moon and in the stars, and distress of nations with perplexity, the sea and the waves roaring. Men's hearts would begin to fear, and they would fail them for fear for what's coming upon the earth. For the powers of heaven shall be shaken. And then shall we see the Son of Man coming in a cloud with power and great glory. When these things begin to come to pass, Jesus said, look up, lift up your heads, for your redemption draweth nigh. Are you saved? Or now are you ready? Don't miss today's live broadcast. Starts at 12 noon Eastern at my website at www.paulbegleyprophecy.com. That's www.paulbegleyprophecy.com. Don't miss it. I will be live, also on new live stream, also on Roku satellite television, also live on Blog Talk Radio Also live right here on this YouTube channel. I'll be right back in just a moment.